Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be coding a minimalistic login UI screen using Flutter. Let's get right into it. Okay. So I'm going to start by putting the scaffold, which provides the structure for the page, and then just adding a container to it so I can put a background color of gray with a shade of 300 to it as well. I'm also just going to add an icon to be the logo for the screen. So I'm just adding a safe area so that the content can be properly aligned on the screen. Also just going to wrap it to the center so that the items can all be aligned in the center of the screen. Gonna give that a size, oops, that's too small. Okay, perfect. Also going to give it add on a sized box to ensure that there's space between the widgets on the screen. I'm going to give that a color of gray. Oops, okay, that's too light. Yes, perfect. Just giving that a text minimal, then I'm just going to give it a color of gray. Give it a shade of 500, and then I'm just going to increase the size of it. Ooh, too big. Okay, perfect. Let me just try. Yes, perfect. So I'm going to give it text field now. I'm also giving it a decoration so that I can style the border. I'm going to give that a border radius of 12. Okay, so just adding padding to the entire screen so that everything is not going to be touching the text field is not going to be touching the sides of the screen. Okay, going to give that an int text of email so that the user can know to input their email in there. Just going to add a size box again. One thing I love about Flutter is the fact that I can reuse widgets, so I'm just gonna reuse that and then just change the in-text to password. Okay, so I'm gonna align this to the right side after adding the color as well. So I'm just going to add a line to do that. I'm just gonna put a button. I added a sized box with a width of double to infinity so that the button can go from the left end to the right end of my screen. I'm just going to style that using the elevated button.style from. To give that a background color of white. And then I also want to give it a border radius of 12 as well. Okay, so I'm also going to change the color of the border and give it the gray color. Okay, so I'm just going to add padding around the text in the button so it can look similar to the text fields as well. So I'm just styling this "don't have an account" text. I'm going to put it in a row as well. After giving it a color, after changing the text color, I'm going to put that in a row. Now I want to align it to the center, so I'm going to use the main axis, let me move there, then main axis cross axis dot alignment to center it. Okay, main axis dot alignment to center it to the screen as well. And yeah, there you have it, a very minimalistic login screen. Let me know if you'd like to see more content like this, or just share in the comment section what else you'd love to see from me.